from Swastyastu. Okay, thanks for opportunity. It was to our group. In the discuss, we will present about the transformation and sub material is reflection. Okay, before that, please like, comment, and subscribe our channel in Krisna Dharmawan. Okay, the first I will to introduce our member or our member of group. The first member of group is me. My name is Putu Garly Arya Riantara with name 1913011037. And the second member of group is Kadek Krisna Dharmawan with name 1913011040. Our from we from 3B of class of mathematics education. Okay. The material to be discussed is the first material is definition of reflection. The second material is reflection properties. The third material is formula of reflection. And the last is example of reflection. Okay. The first material is definition of reflection. Okay. Look at it in the picture. This picture is a reflection of triangle in ordinate Cartesian. Okay. You must look in the mirror. Often when looking in the mirror, watch yourself and your image. Are they the same shape or size? Also observe your distance to be mirror. It is the same distance between your image and the mirror. By reflection and answering this question, you will discover some of properties of reflection. Okay. So, what is the reflection or definition of reflection? Reflection is a geometric transformation in the form of shifting or moving all point on the geometric plane toward a plane or mirror with a distance equal to twice the distance of the mirror point. Okay, this is a definition of reflection.
Next material is reflection properties. Working to reflection onto parallel axes, resulting in a translation or shift with the following properties. Number 1. The distance of original shapes with the resulting shapes is equal to twice the distance between the two axes of reflections. And number 2, the direction of translations is perpendicular to the two parallel axes from the first to the second. Reflection onto parallel axes are non-communicative. Next, working onto consecutive, reflection onto intersecting axes will produce a rotation which is number 1. The intersection of the two mirror axes is the center of rotation. Number 2, angle of rotation is equal to twice the angle between the two axes of reflection. The direction of rotation is the same as the direction from the first axis to the second axis. And next, two consecutive reflections on the line are an identity, meaning that what I reflected does not move. And next, working of two reflection on two perpendicular axes resulting in semicolor rotation of the intersection of the two mirror axes reflection on the two perpendicular axes are communicative. And the next is the formula of reflection. Number 1. Reflection on the x-axis, and the formula is A, H, Y, reflected on the x-axis to be a axis x negative y, and the metric is x-axis y-axis equal 1 0 0 negative 1 multiplied x y, and we get the result is x negative y. And the second formula is reflection on the y-axis, and the formula is a x y reflected on the y-axis to be a axis negative x y, and the metric is x accent y accent equal 0 negative 1 0 0 1 multiplied x y, and we got the result is negative x y. And the third formula is reflection on the y equal x lines. The formula is a xy reflected on the y equal x lines to be a axis y x, and the metric is x axis y axis equal 0 1 1 0 multiplied x y, and we get the result is y x. And the fourth formula is reflection on the y equal negative x, and the formula is a x y reflected on the y equal negative x to be a axis y negative x. And the formula is reflection on the x equal key lines, and the formula is a xy reflected on x equal key to be a axis 2 key minus x y. And the sixth formula, reflection on the y equal q lines, and the formula is a x y reflected on y equal key to be a axis x 2 key minus y. And next, reflection on the PQ point, and the formula is a xy reflected on the PQ point to be a axis x axis y axis, and the matrix is x axis minus p y axis minus q, and equal cosinus 180 negative sinus 180 sinus 180 cosinus 180 multiplied x minus p y minus q. And then reflection on the 0 0 point, and the formula is a xy reflected on 0 0 point to be a axis negative x negative y, and the matrix is x axis y axis equal 0 negative 1 0 0 negative 1 multiplied xy. Next, reflection on the way mx m tangan alpha, and the formula a xy reflected on y mx m equal tangan alpha to be accent x accent y accents, and matrix is x accents, y accents equal cosinus 2 alpha, sinus 2 alpha, sinus 2 alpha, negative cosinus 2 alpha multiplied x way, and then reflection on the way equal x plus k lines, and formula is a x way reflected on way equal x plus q lines to be a axis, x axis, y axis, and the matrix is x axis, y axis equal 0, 1, 1, 0 multiply x y negative key plus 0 key, and the last formula is reflection on the way equal negative x plus q, and the formula is a x way reflected on a way equal negative x plus q to be a accents a x accents y accents, and the matrix is x accents y accents equal 0 negative 1 negative 1 0 multiplied x y negative key plus 0 key.
Okay, after learning about the definition of reflection, the properties of reflection and the formula of reflection, now I will turn up example of applying reflection. Okay, we have a problem. Find the image of the point A 2, 5 if it is a reflection on the y-axis. Okay, the answer is A 2, 5 y-axis. So A accent equal matrix negative 1, 0, 0 and 1 multiplied by 2 and 5. The result of A accent equal negative 2 plus 0 and 0 plus 5. So the image of the point of A 2, 5 is negative 2, 5. Okay. And then what if the same point of reflected on different axes? Will the result be the same? Okay, the same point is A 2, 5. Okay, find the image of point A 2, 5 if it's the reflected on the y equal x-axis. Okay, the answer is A 2, 5 y equal x-axis. So A accent equal 0, 1, 1, 0 multiplied by 2, 5. So we have A accent is 5 and 2. So okay, what is example, the next example? Okay, look at this. Okay, find the image of point A 2, 5 if it's the reflection on the y equal negative x axis. Okay, the answer is A 2, 5 y equal negative x axis. So A accent is 0 minus 5 and negative 2 plus 0. So A accent equal negative 5 and negative 2. Okay, in this example, if the point A 2,5 is reflection on the center point, the answer or the image of point is negative 2 and negative 5. Okay, so it can be concluded that in reflection, even though the starting point in the same, but if it's reflection on different axes, then the result will be different. Okay, I think that's enough about the example of reflection.